So, you're ready to dive into the world of Monese, huh? Fantastic choice. But before you start enjoying the perks of a digital-first banking experience, there's one crucial step: verifying your identity. And that means providing the right ID. Now, I know what you're thinking. ID? What's the big deal? Well, let's break it down. Think of your ID as your digital passport. It's how Monese confirms you're the real deal and not some sneaky cybercriminal trying to steal your money. It's all about security, people. But here's the burning question: what kind of ID does Monese actually accept? Is your driver's license good enough? What about that old passport gathering dust in your drawer? Let's clear the air. Monese is pretty straightforward when it comes to ID. They primarily accept two types. Passport. Your trusty passport is the golden ticket to most things, including opening a Monese account. As long as it's valid and shows your pretty face, you're good to go. National ID card. If you're lucky enough to have a national ID card that's recognized by Monese, then that's another option. Just make sure it's clear, up to date, and has your lovely mugshot on it. So, there you have it. Passport or national ID card, those are your main players in the Monese ID game. No student IDs, library cards, or old grocery store loyalty cards, unfortunately. But wait, there's a catch. While Monese might accept these two types of ID, it doesn't mean they accept any passport or national ID card. There are specific requirements. First off, your ID needs to be valid. No expired documents, please. We're talking about your money here, so let's keep things legit. Secondly, the photo on your ID needs to be clear and recognizable. You wouldn't want Monese mistaking you for your long-lost twin, would you? Now, I know what you're thinking. What if I don't have a passport or a national ID card? Am I doomed to a Monese-less life? Fear not, my friend. There might be some exceptions depending on where you live. Some countries have specific ID documents accepted by Monese. So, it's worth checking Monese's official website or getting in touch with their support team to find out if you have any alternatives. Once you've got your shiny new ID ready, the next step is to upload it to the Monese app. It's usually a pretty straightforward process. Just follow the on-screen instructions and make sure your ID is well lit and in focus. And remember, verifying your identity is a one-time thing. Once you've done it, you can enjoy all the Monese goodness without any further ID hassles. So, there you have it. A quick and dirty guide to Monese accepted IDs. Remember, a valid passport or national ID card is usually your best bet. But don't forget to check Monese's specific requirements and explore any potential alternatives if needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Happy banking!